Ultraviolet lamps are used in aquatic water treatment systems. Swimming pools, spas, aquariums, and water parks are increasingly turning to UV technology-based systems to help clean and maintain good water quality. It's an environmentally friendly alternative to chemical-based systems. UVC light inactivates microorganisms, including chlorine-resistant microbes. Harmful byproducts are reduced because UV technology does not leave chemical residue in the water. It reduces the need for chemical safety measures, and it removes chemical smells from the water, which enhances the user experience. Ultraviolet-based systems are an enabling technology for a sustainable future in clean air and water. Alpha-Purify supplies UV lamps and other UV accessories for systems worldwide. Find out more. Go to www.alpha-purify.com.